Your teeth can help you chew, speak, and smile. If you're missing one or more teeth, you may find these simple actions difficult. Fortunately, missing teeth can be replaced. The solution may be a bridge. Bridges can be fixed or removable. Fixed bridges are cemented to the natural teeth next to the space left by the missing tooth. Fixed bridges become a permanent part of your mouth. Removable bridges can be taken out for cleaning. Removable bridges are generally less expensive, but may not be as strong or stable as fixed bridges. The type of bridge that's right for you may depend on your current oral health. To determine what type of bridge is best for you and your smile, speak with your dentist. For the ADA Dental Minute, I'm Dr. Maria Lopez Howell.